Aikyn Tolepbergen. Aikyn Tolepbergen is a famous Kazakhstani singer. He's got a great voice and he's very popular in his home country. He is one of the biggest stars in Kazakhstan. One of his most famous songs is Only You. Aikyn can sing in different languages. Most of his songs are in Kazakh, but he can sing very well in English too. Aikyn plays a lot of live concerts in Astana, Kazakhstan's capital. Do you know Aikyn? Do you like his music? What else do you know about him? Here are a few more facts. Aikyn has got a brother and a sister. Their names are Aydin and Gokar. Aikyn likes Jennifer Lopez's music. She is a famous American pop star. She is also a famous actress. Aikyn loves her films too. Which other pop stars do you like? What is your favorite song?